Sure how it's done. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, junior and teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Anaya, and I welcome you all on the behalf of Food Week to present our class assembly on leadership. A dear student, the Almamic God is the best part of the day. I request you all please rise for the morning prayer. Please join your hands. Your presence I feel, your glory behold, your great and marvelous. You are wonderful, beautiful, glorious. You live within me, you move within me. Part of my life, you'll always be. It's your breath I take, your life I live. All that I have and own are all your gifts. Oh Lord, in the depth of my soul, your presence I feel, your glory behold. You're great and marvelous. You are wonderful, beautiful, glorious. It's for you I live, it's for you I die. For you belongs my life entire. And through all my years I'll praise your name. All that I have for today, all of your grace. Oh Lord, in the depth of my soul, your presence I feel, your glory behold. You're great and marvelous. You are wonderful, beautiful, glorious. Wonderful, beautiful, glorious. You are wonderful, beautiful, glorious. Now I would like to invite Bishop for the thought of the day. The sky had 10 heads and hearts. I repeat, you don't need a cape to be a hero. The sky had 10 heads and hearts. People thought of the day. Each and everything happening around us may not be linked with us, but has an important role in our life. Now I would like to invite Colonel Khalika Amri to update with us today's headlines. Today's headlines are international news. Microsoft offers cheaper office without Teams to address EU concerns. COVID-19 enters Asia. Hong Kong and Singapore see unseasonal surge in cases as virus detected in sewage water. US President Trump pledges to cut US prescription drug prices by 80%. National news. Air India launches flash sale starts rupees 1300. Reliance Jio delivers best internet and call set up in price test. Great sports news. The Gujarat Titans, Punjab Kings and Bengaluru have secured spots in IPL 2025 playoffs. Punjab Kings defeated Rajasthan Royals by 10 runs, making their first playoff qualification in 11. KL Rahul became the fastest Indian batter to reach 8,000 T20 runs. Today's weather report is maximum temperature 39 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. The day will be partly cloudy with one or two spells of rain or thunderstorms. You are advised to stay indoors and keep hydrated. Thank you. Thank you for sharing in with us. Now I would like to invite my friends to share their views on today's topic, which is leadership. Not just any leadership. I am talking about a sense of leadership. The kind that doesn't just manage people, but inspires real change. seeing what could be, and taking others along that journey. Welcome to my familiar these names. Manmohan Singh, B.R. Ambedkar, Nelson Mandela, Abdul Kalam, Prizba Patil. They all have been inspirational leaders who excelled in their respective areas towards the betterment of the society. Every challenge has an opportunity if we look in the right spirit. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. Success is not measured by wealth or power, but by the positive impact that we have on others. The truth is about listen more than talking, serving more than demanding, and inspiring more than instructing. Remember, leadership is not about taking charge. It's about taking care of those in the charge. Let's lead with kindness, courage, and vision. Let's be a change. Now you might think, but I'm still small. Can I be a leader? Yes, absolutely. You don't have to be the tallest, the oldest, and not even the loudest person in the room to be a good leader. So, who is a leader? Someone who helps others, shows kindness, makes good choices, and sets a good example for everyone around them. Example: have you helped a friend tie their shoelace, or shared your tiffin with someone who forgot theirs, or helped your teacher by keeping the class quiet? Guess what? In those moments, you will be the leader. Leadership is not about bossing others around. It's about doing the right thing even when no one is watching. It's about being brave, caring, and always trying your best. So many leaders, let's remember. Be kind, be helpful. Be brave, believe in yourself. You don't need a crown to be a leader, you just need a big heart. Thank you. Who can become the leader? Wants to try? Loud. Yes, ma'am. I am the best. I can tell everyone what to do. Okay, I'll see. Oh, I hurt my knee. Oh no, are you okay? Wait, let me get some water and call the teacher. She will get up on her own, but I need to keep playing. See two after game. Children, today we saw who the real leader is. Leader is not someone who gives orders or thinks they're the best. A true leader helps others and shows empathy and sets up a good example. Yes, ma'am. I understand now. Next time I will definitely help. True leader leads from the heart, not through commands. Be a leader, but first be a kind human being.